Yo, you know, Busy right outside here. I could bring him in here if you want, bro.
No way. Bring Biggie. Can you bring Busy Signal in?
You're right, yes, sir.
Man, it's man, Busy. Busy Signal. The man don't play. We got what the lyrics.
Yes.
Busy Signal.
Joe to the world.
Yeah.
Busy Signal, is it?
Yo, Busy Signal.
Joe.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yeah.
Yo, Busy Signal, big fan, Fat Joe. Big fan.
Big up, Fat Joe. I mean, big up.
Yo, the man said the Boogie tune, but my next favorite, the Boom tune. So I said, Busy there. I said, what?
Yeah. Hey, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Busy, why you never come to America that often?
I'll be there. I'll be up there. We reach up enough time with them, man.
We was just discussing that.
Yeah.
You was discussing that too?
Yeah, just outside,
yeah.
Hey, yo, Busy Signal, can you give us some of that Busy Signal lyric, you know?
Yeah.
You're one of the biggest in the game. You're the best in the game, man.
Hey.
Fat Joe, no, man.
Wind up your body and take it down low. Wind up yourself and tip to the flow. Sexy pose, dummy 6 dummy low. We'll sit back for me slow. And then you boom. Boom.
Bubble it, girl, make it.
Boom.
Sexy body, girl, make it.
Boom.
Shake out the place, make it.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. All right then.
Girl, you a proper thing, you know, like a thing, shape and body, hotter than where them have a ring. So me love it, for swing, brain cell a ring.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, we need this thing. Girl, you have a bag, just make your body go. Lock down the body like we are so. Take it to the floor, girl, you off it now. Hey, we say Fat Joe, make them know. Wind up your body. Hey.
Busy Signal, one night me hear you putting Bobby Gondas, Bobby Condas and Java.
Yeah.
You fuck up the place. You fuck up the place.
Man, something with you, man.
Oh, God, man. Hey, we always just put 100%. We always just give the energy. You know, do what we do. Bring that type of Caribbean vibe, that sunshine.
Bad lyricist here. A big bad lyricist.
Bad lyricist, bro.
There, so.
Yo, Busy Signal, get busy. Thank you, my brother.
Respect, Fat Joe, man. I'm big up the whole terror squad for me too, you know.
Straight.
Thank you so much.
Salute, my G.
Yeah, man. Respect again, man.
All right, Busy. Yo, listen.
Yeah, brother. Give thanks, man.
Oh, that was beautiful. No, because Busy, you know, his freestyles, his flows, ridiculous.
He crazy, bro. You know what I mean?
No, he crazy. And
bro,
you know,
when we run rhythms in here, he'll build 10 songs on one rhythm. He'll build 10 songs, and we be like, yo, that one is dope. And he's like, no, the next one. And he's just free with it. You know what I mean? So, for me, one of the best in the game right now. One of the greatest.
One of the best. He one of the best.